Today I am going to show you how to roots from money plant creeper. Firstly, you have to choose from anywhere long money plant creeper, and you may cut it through every section. Each section should be 2.5-inch height maximum. And you check it very carefully. All cuts should be almost the same size as I have shown on that video. Then you should fill into a cup or whatever you have. All down part should be down and top part should be top, so you should maintain it very carefully. After pouring all the cuts into a cup, you just bring some water, and water will fill the 60% of the cup, so that all the cuts can get water from the cups. It is very gently try to find out every root inside the cup, so that they can get water from that source. After it, you keep it the place where sunlight directly cannot affect. On the day 6, you will find some little bit changes in every cut. Can you see it? Very carefully. This is day 6. You can check everyone getting small sprouting from new leaves from there. Even if you mistake to put one top side it down, it is no problem. You can shift it again and remove this unnecessary part. And firstly you have to clean the leaves from that creeper and place it gently and check every day. You should change water every day, 24 hours later. And that's you have to do this root is going to up. Try to make this root a little bit down, and it's become upside down, so I am shifting this again to the right way. See carefully, every stems is going to get new plants from it. Remove these sections like this, so that it will become more fresh, more hygiene. Try to check each of everyone. See closely. Some of roots is up to the water, no problem for these staves, because each cut can get water from down source. Always. Always remember, never direct sunlight should be there. Always keep it under the shades, partial sunset. It was wrongly placed. I have shifted that into the reverse way, because I made mistake. There is no problem if you make also like this way. All cuts getting more and more. See very carefully. You have to keep change water every 24 hours later. check each one every time where is problem, where is not. Some of roots is going to little bit new shapes. There in that plants you are seeing new roots from the cut on the day 9. Not others is growing the root, but some of roots you may find. There is a hope. Every life wants to live. Every life wants to live on this earth. This is amazing tricks to make thousands of money plants from some of creeper or troopers. Day 13, all cards got more bigger and bigger. On the day 14, some of become more bigger than others. You may find very few is not yet started. Inside the glass you are seeing some of roots, new roots. Day 14. This cuts got much more bigger. There is a new roots. That one left one is all are increasing very good way. Some of new roots you can find it. This is new roots from new cut. Yes, this is. Some cuts may not new roots, but almost 40 or 30% cut got new roots. This one not. This one old roots, and make it down so that it can get water from directly to the pot. This one got new leaves. Yes, this is amazing one. This is 18 days. 18 days. I am finding 4 leaves from out of 35 or 40 cuts. Now let them grow all together. So now we are seeing almost 95% cuts is going very good. This is the leaves, very beautiful new lives. And on the day 20, you got very amazing look on this cut. So we are going to show you how to plant after next video. Please keep sync with us. I will show you more detail into the second part. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.